Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we are going to continue a series called Investing 101. This video will discuss how you can reliably vet and source stock market news and information. In today's fast-paced financial landscape, staying informed is crucial for making sound investment decisions. This video will guide you through the essential steps to identify and utilize reliable sources of investing news and information. We'll explore various platforms, from traditional financial news outlets to innovative digital resources, ensuring you have a comprehensive toolkit at your disposal. As we delve into this topic, our aim is to provide you with engaging and informative insights that empower you to navigate the often overwhelming world of investing. With countless sources available, distinguishing between credible information and misleading hype can be challenging. Reliable investing information not only helps you make informed decisions, but also builds your confidence as an investor. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to seek out and evaluate the best resources, setting you on a path toward achieving your financial goals. Join us as we uncover the keys to finding dependable investing news and information. Now let's get into the video. Step 1. Identify reputable financial news outlets. The first step in finding reliable investing news is to identify reputable financial news outlets. Established sources like Bloomberg, CNBC, and Reuters have built strong reputations over the years for delivering accurate and timely financial information. These platforms are known for their in-depth analysis and expert commentary, making them invaluable resources for investors. To ensure you're relying on credible information, take a moment to research the history and reputation of these outlets. Look for awards, industry recognition, and the qualifications of their journalists. A strong track record often indicates a commitment to journalistic integrity and accuracy. Additionally, following these news outlets on social media can provide you with real-time updates and breaking news. Platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn allow you to stay connected with the latest market trends and expert insights. Engaging with their content can also enhance your understanding of complex financial topics. By focusing on reputable financial news outlets, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions and navigate the ever-changing financial landscape with confidence. Step 2. Utilize financial analysis platforms. The next step in your journey to finding reliable investing news is to utilize financial analysis platforms. Websites like Morningstar, Yahoo Finance, and Seeking Alpha offer a wealth of information, including stock analysis, performance metrics, and market trends. These platforms are designed to help investors make informed decisions by providing comprehensive data and insights. Understanding the analysis tools and data offerings available on these platforms is crucial. For instance, Morningstar is renowned for its in-depth fund analysis and ratings, while Yahoo Finance provides real-time stock quotes and news updates. Seeking Alpha features articles from a diverse range of contributors, offering various perspectives on investment opportunities. By leveraging these financial analysis platforms, you'll gain access to valuable resources that can significantly enhance your investment strategy and decision-making process. Step 3. Join investment forums and communities. The third step in your quest for reliable investing news is to join investment forums and communities. Platforms like Reddit's r/investing and Bogleheads offer vibrant spaces where investors of all levels come together to share insights, strategies, and experiences. Participating in these forums can provide you with a wealth of knowledge and diverse perspectives on various investment topics. Finding a community where you can share ideas and stories is an incredibly important part of your journey, and one that will certainly pay dividends. By engaging with seasoned investors, you can learn from their successes and challenges, gaining valuable lessons that can inform your own investment decisions. These communities often discuss current market trends, investment strategies, and personal finance tips, making them excellent resources for expanding your understanding of the financial landscape. However, it's essential to approach these forums with caution. While many members share valuable information, misinformation can also circulate. Always verify claims and do your own research before acting on advice you receive. Cross-referencing information with reputable sources will help you make informed decisions. By actively participating in investment forums and communities, you can enhance your knowledge, connect with like-minded individuals, and navigate the world of investing more confidently. Step 4. Subscribe to financial newsletters. The final step in your journey to finding reliable investing news is to subscribe to financial newsletters. Signing up for newsletters from reputable sources like The Motley Fool or Investopedia can provide you with curated insights and expert analysis directly to your inbox. These newsletters often cover a range of topics, from market trends to investment strategies, making them a valuable resource for investors. When choosing newsletters, look for those that offer in-depth analysis and stock recommendations. Quality newsletters should not only provide information, but also explain the reasoning behind their recommendations, helping you understand the market dynamics at play. This deeper insight can enhance your decision-making process and boost your confidence as an investor. It's also important to evaluate the performance of these newsletters over time. Check their track record for accuracy and the success of their stock picks. Reliable newsletters will often share their past performance, allowing you to assess their credibility. By subscribing to well-regarded financial newsletters, you'll stay informed and equipped with the knowledge needed to navigate your investment journey effectively. In this video, we explored the essential steps to finding reliable sources of investing news and information. We began by identifying reputable financial news outlets like Bloomberg and CNBC, emphasizing the importance of their credibility. We also discussed the value of utilizing financial analysis platforms such as Morningstar and Yahoo Finance, and joining investment communities to enhance your investment strategies. That will wrap up this video. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on investing and personal finance. Be sure to follow along as we continue the rest of our Investing 101 series, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.